Hi, everyone. Well, in this week's podcast, I am thrilled to have a conversation with Monica Michel, a very young businesswoman who has recently launched a network called BloomTV Network.com, which is a streaming channel all about flowers, every aspect of flowers, flower arranging, flower gardens, the mental health benefits of flowers, which are numerous. It's crazy and wonderful. And even using flowers if you're an artist or a creator of some kind. Now, the synchronicities of life, right? I recently toured the Dior gallery here in Paris, and you can find that actually on my IG page. It was absolutely incredible and such an uplifting experience for me. And now I think it could be because Christian Dior's greatest inspiration was flowers. Monica, who also loves flowers, worked very hard to try to come up with a business idea that was all around what she loved, which was flowers. But in the podcast, you also get, Bloom TV Network and how she got that all going. But you also get a very powerful list of suggestions from Monica for those of you who are planning or building a business. I got ideas from Monica, including the importance of constantly working on mindset. So listen in and be prepared to imagine an even bigger dream for yourself than the one you currently have. You take care and have a lovely week.